In this video, I'm going to show you how you can self-host N8N for absolutely free. If you are familiar with this automation tool, you probably know that it's quite pricey. You have to pay up to $20 for the starter plan with so many limitations. But we can actually do it for free. There are many different approaches we can have. We can actually self-host N8N on our computer. This is 100% free, but personally I don't recommend this because it's quite technical, and also whenever you turn off your computer, all your workflow is going to stop. But the second option is using a cloud. There are some paid, services we can use, and also some free ones. I'm going to show you both of them, both paid and free. But my recommendation is using a paid service. It costs only a few dollars, but it's really worth it. Let's actually start. First, let me show you one of the best services you can use for self-hosting N8N. My suggestion is Hostinger. You can find the link in the video description, and by using my referral link, besides supporting my channel, you can get up to 20% off, which is great. So make sure to check it out. Also, make sure to join my free school community. I'm going to share so many different stuff related to automation there. Click choose your plan. There are many different options in here, and it really depends on you. If you're serious about automation and using N8N, I highly recommend KVM2. But if you're just starting out, you can even use KVM1. It's totally fine. Click on choose plan. You can get up to 8 GB RAM, which is crazy. And as you can see, by using my referral link, you can get a juicy discount in here. You can even choose 1 month. It really depends on you. 1 month costs you something around $8, but I prefer 24 months. And in here, make sure the server location is close to your living place. For example, I live in Australia. Unfortunately, there is no server in Australia, so I'm going to select Indonesia, which is the closest option. And in here, make sure N8N is selected. Now we're good to go. We only have to add our card details and buy this service. Just click on continue. After the purchase, we have to create a root password. Click on next and make sure to check malware scanner. This is totally free, and click on finish setup. This could take few minutes, so I'm going to wait, and then we're ready to go. On your dashboard, you should be able to see N8N in here. Just click on manage app to open this. There is actually a very low chance that you can't open the VPS. The issue could be related to your network. For example, I'm not sure why when I'm using my home network, I can't open this. But when I use other networks, it works very well. Make sure to clear your browser cache. That could be also the reason. Or if it didn't work, you can actually copy this link and open a private window. In here on the top bar, file, new private window, and just paste the link in here. This will solve the issue. Now in here, all we have to do is to create an account. So I'm going to fill out this form and click on next. Now we're all set. Just click on get started, skip this, and now we can start a workflow on N8N. That was quite easy. Now let me show you another cloud that we can use for hosting N8N, which is 100% free. Just search render host or render cloud and open this one, render.com. You have to create an account for free. I've already created one. Click on deploy your app for free. And in here, click on web service. Click on existing image. And now in here, we have to search N8N, Docker image. Just open the first option, the Docker Hub. And in here, scroll down. We have to, paste this on render, or you can actually copy from here, paste it in this section and click on connect. For the name, you can name it anything you want and make sure you select the free version. Here's the important thing to know. When you use the free cloud, it's a bit slower, especially if you don't use the account for a while. If you become inactive, they could remove your workflows. And just keep this in mind. It's a bit slower in comparison to Hostinger. That's why I suggested you to use Hostinger. But this is 100% free, which is very cool. Click on deploy web service. As you can see, it actually is starting the service. This could take few minutes. I'm waiting. It actually took few minutes to deploy N8N. At the end, you should be able to see this message. Editor is now accessible via localhost. All you have to do is to click on this link, and now you can create an account. Very easy. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.